HobbyKidsTV.
Hey Hobby Kids, Hobby Auntie here, and today Miss Lego Head wants to be turned into Peppa Pig. I think Peppa is so cute. Can you help me look like her? We have some awesome help today. We've got Batman and we have Frozen Queen Elsa. To get started, we're gonna need dark pink Play-Doh, black, white, and light pink Play-Doh. And don't forget your rolling pin and Play-Doh knife. Let's roll out our pink Play-Doh. La 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 la, do 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 do. Miss Lego Head's gonna look gorgeous. Now let's put it on Miss Lego Head. Now grab your white Play-Doh and we're gonna make Peppa's eyes. White reminds me of snow. I'll help you, Hobby Auntie. Let's roll out this Play-Doh. Good job, Elsa. Let's take our medium die cutter. We'll use this to make Peppa's white part of the eyes. Let's roll out our black Play-Doh to finish Peppa's eyes. Black's my favorite color. I got this. And that is how it's done. Let's use our small die cutter for the black part of her eyes. Voila! Now let's make Peppa's cheeks and smile using the light purple Play-Doh. For Peppa's smile, let's roll out a longer piece of purple Play-Doh. Here's Peppa's cheeks. And her little smile. The next piece we're gonna make is a... Hey! What's that? SpongeBob, you came to visit us! Why, hello, Hobby Auntie! And hello, team! Cute! There's SpongeBob's body with his little red tie.
Let's put him together.
Looking good, SpongeBob. What do you think's missing on Miss Lego Head? Well, let's see here. Peppa is known for her nose. I have a very small nose, but Peppa's nose is huge. This nose? Huge? No. Okay, Hobby Kids, let's roll out more pink Play-Doh for Peppa's nose. I'm going to be using an oval die cutter for the shape of Peppa's nose. Oink, 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 oink. Here you go, Miss Lego Head. You can have a little piggy nose just like Peppa. Miss Lego Head's looking so cute. Now let's roll out some more purple Play-Doh and we'll put her nostrils on. Here we're using the small circle die cutter again.
Hey, piggy, 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 piggy. Hey, piggy, 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 piggy. Hi, Peppa.
Hey, Peppa, tell the HobbyKid fans what's coming up next.
There's gonna be tons of surprise eggs and toys coming out of Peppa Lego Head. You can't miss it. Keep your eyes open for that next video. And to see more huge Lego Head makeovers, click on the videos or the link in the description. See you later, alligators.